Setting and achieving goals is crucial for business success. It provides direction, motivation, and a roadmap to guide your efforts. Here are some tips and tricks to help you effectively set and achieve your business goals. Be specific. Clearly define your goals in measurable terms. Instead of setting a vague goal like increase sales, specify the desired outcome, such as increase sales by 10% in the next quarter. Set realistic goals. While it's essential to challenge yourself, ensure your goals are achievable. Consider your resources, capabilities, and market conditions to set targets that are ambitious yet attainable. Break it down. Divide big goals into smaller, manageable tasks or milestones. This approach makes it less overwhelming and enables you to track progress more effectively. Prioritize. Determine which goals are most important and align with your long-term vision. Focus on those goals first and allocate your time and resources accordingly. Make goals measurable. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, or specific metrics to track progress and evaluate success. This data-driven approach allows you to assess your performance objectively. Create an action plan. Outline the steps and strategies required to achieve each goal. Assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Stay motivated. Keep your goals visible and regularly remind yourself of the purpose and benefits they will bring. Celebrate milestones and progress along the way to maintain enthusiasm and momentum. Seek feedback and support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, peers, or industry experts who can provide guidance and accountability. Learn from their experiences and leverage their knowledge. Stay flexible. Business environments are dynamic, so be prepared to adapt your goals and strategies as circumstances change. Stay open-minded and embrace new opportunities or challenges that may arise. Review and learn. Regularly assess your progress, identify areas of improvement, and learn from both successes and failures. Use these insights to refine your goals and strategies continually. Remember, goal setting is not a one-time activity, but an ongoing process. By consistently setting and pursuing meaningful goals, you can drive your business towards success and achieve sustainable growth.